Today I would like to discuss essay type indirect method of proof problem, children. Please look at the whiteboard, please. I would like to take an example. The problem which is of the type root a plus root b, where a and b are prime numbers. The problem is show that root 3 plus root 7 is irrational. And in the solution, what is RTP, children? I should prove root 3 plus root 7 is irrational. In the other class, we discussed proving the number which is of the type a plus root b and a minus root b as irrational number using indirect method of proof. So now we are going to see the type of root a plus root b. Okay, children? So if you want to prove this by using indirect proof, I should assume that RTP is false. So let us assume that root 3 plus root 7 is rational. So when root 3 plus root 7 is assumed as a rational number, I can write root 3 plus root 7 as p by q or a by b, whichever you want to take, you can take. In p by q, q is not equal to 0. Both numerator p and denominator q must be integers. Now when the given problem is in the form of root a plus root b, we should go for squaring on both sides. What is the full form of SOBS, children? Squaring on both sides. What do you get? Root 3 plus root 7 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. As you know, the formula for a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The same way we can expand root 3 plus root 7 whole square using this formula. That I am going to do here. A square root 3 square plus b square root 7 square plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 7, that is equal to p square by q square. P square by q square. And going to the next step, root 3 square is 3. Here I can cancel. Square root cancel, square root cancel. So root 3 square is 3, root 7 square is 7. And I can write 3 plus 7 plus 2 root 3 into root 7. You can see root a into root b is root ab. Then root 3 into root 7 I can write as root 21. So which can be written as 2 root 21 is equal to p square by q square. The next continuation, 3 plus 7 10 plus 2 root 21 is equal to p square by q square. If you observe this carefully, it is in the form of a plus root b. A plus root b. So first of all, I would like to transpose this 10 to right side. What I will get now? 2 root 21 is equal to p square by q square minus 10. Plus 10 becomes 10. So I can write minus 10 as minus 10 by 1. Here p square by q square is a rational number and 10 by 1 is a rational number. Between them I have minus sign. So I should take LCM. So the LCM for q square and 1 will be q square. So I can write 2 root 21 is equal to LCM is q square p square minus 10q square. P square minus 10q square by q square, from which 2 I want to transpose to right side. I'll get root 21 is equal to p square minus 10q square by 2q square. And this is the end of the problem, where we can notice that root 21 is irrational. Here p is integer and q is integer, so p square is integer, q square is integer, so p square minus 10q square is integer and 2q square is integer. Integer by integer is rational. So what I got, root 21 is irrational, this is irrational, is equal to this is rational. I got rational is equal to irrational, therefore it is impossible actually in mathematics. It is impossible in mathematics. This happened due to our wrong assumption. Therefore, we can write our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Thus, root 3 plus root 7 is irrational. Whatever the result is asked to prove is been proved already. So, successfully we can conclude it as hence proved root 3 plus root 7 is irrational. Let me take another example which is of type root a minus root b. Let me take the question. Show that root 5 minus root 13 as irrational. So let me write RTP first. What should we prove here? Root 5 minus root 13 is irrational. This is the result we should prove at the end. For that we should approach indirect method of proof. So let us assume that root 5 minus root 13 is rational. Then let root 5 minus root 13 as p by q. As it is in the form of root a minus root b, I should go for squaring on both sides. Squaring at left, I get root 5 minus root 13 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. Root 5 minus root 13 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. The formula for a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square root 5 square plus b square root 13 square minus 2ab. 2 root 5 into root 13 is equal to p square by q square. Next continuation. Here square root cancel. The value of root 5 square is 5. Root 13 square is 13. I can write 5 plus 13, 18 plus 2. Root a into root b is root ab. So root 5 into root 13, root 65. Sorry, I think it is minus sign before this. Is equal to p square by q square. Now next step I can write 18. P square by q square is transposed to left side. Right side minus 2 root 65 becomes plus 2 root 65. After taking LCM, I'll get q square in the denominator. 18q square minus p square is equal to 2 root 65. Taking 2 to left side, I get here Hence, I got 18q square minus p square by 2q square is equal to root 65. Here, this is rational and this is irrational. This is impossible in mathematics. Therefore, I can write our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Thus, root 5 minus root 13 is irrational. This is the result we expected to prove, and we got it at the end of the problem. So we can write hence proved. So this is the way, children, we approach indirect method of proof in proving the given numbers of the type root a plus root b or root a minus root b as irrationals. Thank you.